We've always believed that there's a better way to harvest energy, to empower our customers with a product that's just as relentless as they are. In 2016, we began our journey to harvest the world's wasted energy and use it to make charging electronics obsolete. Thanks to the loyal support of our backers and early supporters, we've begun to realize this vision. Our first product, PowerWatch, introduced our technology to the world. Powered by body heat, PowerWatch delivered smartwatch functionality without ever needing to charge. Today, we are excited to announce our second generation product, PowerWatch 2.
We've spent the last 2 years refining our technology and process so that we can push PowerWatch even further. We've also listened closely to feedback from our customers to understand which features are most important to them. PowerWatch 2 is an all-purpose smartwatch equipped with onboard GPS positioning, intelligent heart rate monitoring, gesture recognition, and a full-color LCD display. The best thing about PowerWatch 2 is that it never needs to be charged. Improved thermoelectric generators and solar cell technology make it the world's most powerful smartwatch. We've also created an all-new smartphone app with exciting new features. It includes activity, calorie and sleep tracking, all new fitness metrics, and compatibility with third-party health and fitness apps like Apple Health Kit and Google Fit.
We are incredibly grateful to our backers for their patience and support as we built and shipped our first product. After weathering shipping delays, we have gained invaluable experience. We have made critical improvements to our processes to ensure that future products will arrive on schedule. We've also added an in-house firmware team so that we have complete development control to provide a superb user experience. At Matrix, we have worked relentlessly to capture and utilize the world's wasted energy. Please back our campaign today to help us make charging electronics a thing of the past.
Because every second matters, this watch displays real-time notifications to stay connected to what's important. Because every second matters, it precisely monitors all your movements, inspiring you to go further. Because every second matters, it regularly monitors heartbeat and lets you know if an irregular rhythm is detected. Because every second matters, it can record a medical-grade electrocardiogram at any time to detect atrial fibrillation and provide valuable data for doctors. Because every second matters, it continuously scans blood oxygen levels during the night to identify breathing disturbances, making sure you breathe easy. Scanwatch. Make every second count.
EcoDrive draws power from a single source: light. Any light. Not only bright sunshine, but cloudy days, or even artificial light. EcoDrive converts light into electrical energy, which is stored in a rechargeable power cell, driving the motor, the gears, and the hands. On a single full charge, a Citizen watch with EcoDrive can run for over 6 months, even if stored in the dark, resulting in never having to change your battery. Citizen EcoDrive, powered by light.
After 3 groundbreaking smartwatch collections, we are back to set new marks in watchmaking history. We introduce VIITA Titan, a housing made of a material 42% lighter and dramatically harder than stainless steel. A housing manufactured out of titanium. An aesthetic wonder made out of an ultra-long-lasting premium material. This bezel is crafted from scratch-resistant ceramic. Equipped with a bright and ultra-sharp LCD screen covered by a sapphire glass touch panel which is made to last for decades. An aircraft aluminum back cover protects the high-tech electronic components. 100 meters water resistant, and features like regeneration and stress analysis, drink management, training zone recommendations, the ability to track over 19 different activities, GPS, and of course, smartphone notifications. VIITA Titan, redefining smartwatches.